What is going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV. Johnny Switchblade here once again. Today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin Bull Run. Bitcoin Bull Run. So stay tuned. What is going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV. Johnny Switchblade here once again. Today we're going to be talking about the 2024 Bitcoin Bull Run. So let's just get right into it, guys. Whoa. Have you guys been paying attention to the numbers? The Bitcoin Bull Run is here, guys. The Bitcoin Bull Run, the long-awaited Bitcoin Bull Run is here. We are currently at $43,751. I'm gonna go ahead and pull up the old phone here. So, like I said, $43,761 right now from the bear run of about like it went back down to like 16,000. 16,000, guys. If you guys didn't get back in at 16,000, I'm sorry. We are now back at 43,000. This is what's crazy, guys. So check this out. So right now, the last hour we went from 43.2 to 43.9. Big numbers, big shift. But check this out, guys. We're going to go for the day. So for the day, we're already up almost $5,000. Almost $5,000 per Bitcoin. So whoever's still holding Bitcoin is just doing amazing right now. The past week, last week we were at 37.5, guys. That is crazy. Last month we were at 35.5. Let's go back to a year. So it was about a year ago when the uptrend started. So a complete year of uptrend. And that's how we know. We knew. Check this out, guys. Look at this. There it was. Last year, 16,273. That is insane. That's crazy, guys. Look at that. Look at those numbers. From 16,000 to 42.4. 42.4. Wow. And honestly, guys, this is only the beginning. This is only the beginning of the bull run. This is only the beginning. Bitcoin is gonna go para-frickin-bolic, dude. It's gonna go frickin' parabolic. I mean, look at this. We're gonna go to the all-time because now we're gonna be able to see. We're gonna be able to actually see what's going on here. Usually after every bull run and correction, the bull run goes even higher than the last time. We're gonna look right here. This really big bull run right here. It's 64,000. 64,000. What was the second one? Second one was at 62,000. So, and then we went back down to 16K. And now look at the uptrend right there. It's a tiny little uptrend. Look at this. This is the section we're looking at right there. That's where we're at, guys. From here to here. And there's only one way to go. And it's up. Obviously, there's going to be a couple, it's going to be a little roller coaster. It's not going to be just up and up and up and up and up. There's got to be corrections. There's always going to be corrections. So we're probably going to see a correction right now, it looks like. I mean, because that was a pretty dramatic bump. So we're probably going to see a small correction sometime soon. But honestly, guys, the sky is the freaking limit after this. Sky's the freaking limit. I do have to say this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just some dude on the internet that is just telling you his opinion. So my opinion is, guys, I do believe that we're going to see 100K Bitcoin in 2024. How fast we're going to see that 100K Bitcoin, I'm not sure, but things are looking good, guys. Things are definitely looking good. The trend is going in the right direction. Yeah, yeah. So we're actually going to be making some videos coming up pretty soon on what to invest in right now. What to invest in right now, because now's the time. If you haven't been stacking your chips low key during the bear run, you still have time. You still have time right now to make a lot of money coming up going forward. But you gotta start. You gotta start now. If you haven't already, you gotta start now. So that's gonna do it for today, guys. Go ahead and like, subscribe, comment down below, do all those things that the YouTubers tell you to do, and we will see you next time. Peace.